We are out here in the driveway today. We're going to run a little experiment. I have always wondered if there was a difference between washer fluid and de-icer in terms of cleaning ability. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this windshield, clean half of it with washer fluid, half of it with de-icer, and then compare and see if there is any difference in the cleaning ability. So let's get started. All right, everybody, so this is a simple spray bottle from IKEA and a microfiber. We've got one with washer fluid in it, one with de-icer. I'm going to clean this half, and then Terryn is going to clean the other half. Okay, now we'll go to the de-icer on the other side. Okay, now we're going to clean one half with the de-icer. Okay, now it's done, we will compare. All right, so now we've cleaned the window. As you can tell on our microfibers, it's about the same in the amount of stuff that came off. This is just a little bit more liquid. The amount of dirt's about the same. But if you look at the window, I know it's gonna be hard to see on camera, the washer fluid actually cleaned better and it did not streak as bad. You can see the de-icer streaked really bad. It didn't clean as well. So de-icer is good for de-icing and not as good for cleaning. So my suggestion is find something like Rain-X 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 that does all three for the winter. Don't go with just de-icer because it does not clean your windows as well. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Try and start from like here up and then